guys, this is a 2018 GMC Denali with only 60,000 miles on it. It's super clean, but he had this notorious problem with the factory touchscreen going bad, so he came in and we gave our customer a really nice upgrade. That's the Sony Sony 10.1. Steering wheel controls are retained. Factory Bose is retained. Factory camera works. Factory park assist works. There you have it. You can do multiple cameras. You got HDMI, you got USB, Sirius XM, Bluetooth, wireless CarPlay, and wireless Android Auto. That's the best thing there. And we got this thing mounted super flush. I mean, it looks factory OEM. Fits in perfect like a glove. There you have it. Got the Denali fully loaded.